Hello, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about outsourcing your way to more time and freedom, a guide for busy business owners. Are you a busy business owner who finds themselves constantly stressed and unable to enjoy their personal time? Do you often find yourself overwhelmed with tasks and struggling to keep up with deadlines? If so, this video is for you. Today, we'll be discussing the benefits of outsourcing and how it can help you achieve more time and freedom in your life. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of how to delegate tasks effectively and efficiently, and how to outsource your work to professionals so you can focus on what matters most to you. The importance of delegating. Delegating is an essential skill for any successful business owner. It allows you to focus on the most important tasks while delegating less critical ones to others. However, delegating can be a difficult task, as it requires trust in others and the ability to let go of control. But once you learn how to delegate effectively, it can help you achieve more time and freedom in your life. But before you jump into outsourcing, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, take the time to evaluate your workload and identify the tasks that can be outsourced. Make a list of the tasks that are taking up most of your time and causing you the most stress. Second, do your research and find the right outsourcing services or professionals for your needs. Look for reputable providers who have experience in your industry and offer the services you require. Third, establish clear communication and expectations with your outsourcing provider. Set goals, timelines, and standards for quality to ensure that your tasks are completed to your satisfaction. Finally, monitor the progress and results of your outsourcing efforts. Keep track of the tasks you have delegated and the outcomes of those tasks to ensure that they are contributing to the success of your business. By following these guidelines, outsourcing can be a game changer for your business and your life. So go ahead and take that step towards more time and freedom. You deserve it. Outsourcing benefits. One way to delegate tasks is to outsource your work to professionals. Outsourcing can provide numerous benefits, including expertise. Outsourcing allows you to access a wide range of expertise that you may not have in-house. This can help you get better results and save time. Scalability. Outsourcing can help you scale your business without having to hire additional employees. This means you can take on more work without increasing your workload. Cost-effective. Outsourcing can be a cost-effective way to get work done. You only pay for the work that is completed, and you don't have to worry about the costs associated with hiring and training new employees. Time-saving. Outsourcing can help you save time by allowing you to focus on the most important tasks while professionals handle the less critical ones. Tips for effective outsourcing. Now that you understand the benefits of outsourcing, here are some tips to help you outsource effectively. Determine what tasks to outsource. Identify the tasks that are taking up too much of your time and are not your core competencies. These are the tasks that can be outsourced. Find the right professionals. Look for professionals who have experience in the tasks you want to outsource. Check their references and reviews to ensure you find the right person for the job. Establish clear expectations. Communicate your expectations clearly to the professionals you hire. This includes deadlines, quality of work, and communication. Provide feedback. Provide feedback regularly to the professionals you hire. This will help them understand your expectations better and improve the quality of their work. Outsourcing can be a valuable tool for busy business owners who want to achieve more time and freedom in their lives. By delegating tasks effectively and outsourcing work to professionals, you can focus on what matters most to you and grow your business. Remember to identify the tasks to outsource, find the right professionals, establish clear expectations, and provide feedback regularly. With these tips, you can achieve more time and freedom in your life. Delegating and outsourcing can save you from burnout. Outsourcing can give you a competitive advantage. Outsourcing can save you money. Outsourcing can improve the quality of work. Outsourcing can free up your time. Delegating can improve your leadership skills. Outsourcing can provide flexibility. Delegating and outsourcing can help you achieve work-life balance. Delegating and outsourcing are essential skills for any busy business owner who wants to achieve more time and freedom in their life. By delegating tasks effectively and outsourcing work to professionals, you can focus on what matters. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for such type of informative content. We hope this video has inspired you to take action towards delegating tasks and achieving a better work-life balance. Remember, outsourcing can be a game changer for your business and your life. So go ahead and take that step towards more time and freedom. Thank you, and have a great day.